Steve here, NRC, and we're gonna give the RC10GT here, nice classic truck. We're gonna give it a rip. All right, guys, we got her running. Give her a speed run. Oh, figures. Oh, my old bones. I can't run fast. Fills it lean. Need more brake. Let me adjust this. Sorry about the camera, I'm trying to adjust this on the fly. All right, here we go. RC10GT. Whoa! Just like the old days. She's gliding a little too fast. I really need some brake on it. Oh! Woo! Yeah, it's hard to drive, guys. Look how fast she's rolling. See how fast she's rolling? Whoa! Whoa! This thing's awesome. I have to just work on it a little bit and adjust it better. Ah! Holy smokes. These ain't no joke, these nitros. They're wicked. Ah! It was a nice jump. Yeah. This definitely needs more brake. It's rolling pretty fast. Usually you have nitro set up with the brake a little bit on so it doesn't keep rolling so fast, and this thing's just flying and I have to keep trying to stop it with the brake. Whoa. Going out of gas. I could tell. I knew it. Whew. Nitro is crazy. Holy, what did I get in here? That's it, guys. The RC10 GT. I hope you liked it. Like I said, I'm gonna show you real quick. Here's the problem I was having. It was, get that off. You see the brake here? It's too loose, so when the engine's idling, it's actually going pretty fast. You would have to adjust the brake to come on a little harder when it stopped like this, idling, and then it'll slow it down. But I didn't use it in so long, that's why I had to adjust it. But that was it, the RC10 GT. Hope you liked it. Leave me a thumbs up if you did. I appreciate all you guys watching the videos. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and leave a comment if you can. It's awesome. I could always get to reply to them, interact with you guys. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Shen RC out.